We'll use a cheek retractor. It just helps keep your lips away so your teeth stay dry. I'm going to put a little bit of special gel on your teeth. It helps keep them clean and strong. It might taste a little funny, but it won't hurt. After a few minutes, I'll wash it off with some water and your teeth will be all fresh again. I'll put a tiny bit of glue on each tooth. It's safe and tastes funny. Shine a blue light. This light makes the glue hard. It doesn't hurt and only takes a few seconds. Then I'll place small metal or clear squares, brackets, right in the middle of your teeth. Shine a blue light. This light makes the glue hard. It doesn't hurt and only takes a few seconds. Now your brackets are ready for the wire that helps move your teeth.